back, guys, to our channel. It's Philbeck TV, and in today's video I want to prepare yam balls for the family. Yay! So my yam is getting cooked up. Whilst it's getting cooked, I'll prep my veggies. So I'm using carrots, green pepper, onion, and then spring onion for my yam. I'm dicing my veggies after giving it a wash. Yeah. So after cooking my yam, I allowed it to cool completely. Now I'm coming to mash it with my tapoli. So guys, I had to transfer my yam into a bigger bowl because the other one was too small. So after mashing it up, having this consistency, I don't want mine too smooth. Yeah, so I'll add a teaspoon of margarine just to give it some nice flavor. Not too much, because if the margarine is too much, when you are frying, it will swallow up your oil, or it will drink up your oil. Guys, after adding the margarine to my mashed yam thoroughly, I'll add egg yolk and mix it thoroughly with the mashed yam. Together, I'll put in my vegetables. So I have green pepper, spring onion, carrots, and then onion. I love the color, very colorful. I'm loving this already. So I'll add a dash of powdered pepper because I want it a bit spicy, not too sweet. Guys, after mixing everything together, I'll go ahead and add my canned beef because my mouth inside is seats. My mouth inside is seats me. After mixing everything, I rolled it into my desired balls. So after everything, this is what you will get. Yes, I left my egg white, or the albumin, yes, because I want to use it to coat it, and then I'll dust it in the breadcrumbs. But I didn't get breadcrumbs, so I had to improvise. So I ended up using a biscuit cracker, mashed it into getting the crumbs. So you dust it in you coat it like this, and then you dump it in your crumbs. Yeah, like this, and then you keep it for frying. So guys, let's continue. So guys, now it's time to fry our yam balls. My oil is all heated up and I'm just putting my yam balls in there.